Do this very quickly. So I've uploaded everything from our couch scene, our friend's couch scene, and with this you're just going to do an exercise in how to split, rearrange, and edit in iMovie. So if you see here, I could kind of like, as I'm dragging my cursor on, I could kind of like review the footage really quickly up in your media area, and then down here is where you have your workspace basically. So I'm gonna find one of the ones where we're walking onto the couch one by one, right? You can see that's the one. I'm gonna drag this. Oh, I don't want to drag all of them. Click off to the side. I'm gonna drag just the one into my workspace, and I'm gonna kind of view this. Now my goal is like right now, if I play it, it goes.
Rolling. All right, first person. Action. All right.
I don't want everyone to pop up all at once. The sound is bothering me, so I'm going to get rid of it by doing this. So I'm going to click here, and I can just like push around the sides like this to edit. That's one way to do it. Or if I decide I want to do this, there's two keys, an I and an O. I can press O. It highlights that. I delete it. I'm right there. So poetry's sitting on the couch. I'm going to click here. Now I want to split the clip. So to split it, I either right click, or if you don't have a right click on your mouse, you have to press Control, then click at the same time. So Control click or right click, and I press split clip, and it just broke it into two things. Now, if I go over here, eventually Amir sits down. That's where I want the clip to start. So I'm going to press Control click again. I could either split it, or I kind of have that ghost line on there. I can push it in like this, right? So now, when we play this, boom. Amir just appears instead of walking over to the thing. Let's watch that one more time. Amir just appears. Okay, so the goal here is we want to try to get every single person to kind of appear on the couch, and we're going to practice splitting, rearranging, and editing. And we could just do this with one clip. We don't even have to do multiple clips. If you could get to the end of this with like each person appearing on the couch, that will be a successful job. So just to review, to split, you need to press Control click. If you want to kind of arrange the clip, you could either push it, or there's the I key, which will highlight a section, or the O key, which will highlight the other section, and you can delete those sections accordingly. So that's basically it. Looking forward to seeing your projects.